I've got a vintage Singer, model 1591. It's got the scrolled nose plate and scrolled round rear plate. The serial number is AG553782. That dates it to 1945. Because of the time it came through, the machine does have some black side parts, which is a pressure foot lift lever, needle clamp, both pins, this knob up here, a couple other screws and such, and even some of the attachments. And basically I'm just going to show you how well the machine stitches. It's been completely rewired, serviced, got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. And also basically to show you the light works, passes the tap test. That's all been redone too, all clean contacts inside. And let's see, and here we go. It's a thicker denim. It's about all it fits under the presser foot. Let's see, it's got a good speed. There you can see there's no mixed or no missed stitches, and it's equal both sides. Next I got 4 layers of a soft leather. Is basically found on jackets, like dress jackets. There you can see, equal stitch again, and then finally 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. There you have it. There was one little blip there, but other than that, stitch is pretty good. There you have it.